It's Marianne here with more pro tips of the day. So I was looking at buying some organic bell peppers over at Whole Foods, and they're like, I don't know, $3.99 or $4.99 a pound, and it's a good price. But then I only get like one red or one yellow or one orange. And I saw this bag over there that was like $5 or $6, and it's organic and non-GMO. And that other symbol was, I don't know, CCO or something. So anyways, I got a pound of peppers for a little bit more, but I get colors that I can use. And I've had these in the refrigerator for like a month, and they're still good. I don't think I want the orange one today. But as you can see, I'll have lots more that I can cook. I like to add peppers to my dishes. I've added them to the coleslaw mix we've been eating. Now, this bell pepper is not like I usually cut my bell peppers. I've been trying to figure out a way to do it, and I remember my sister saying that she takes a bell pepper and cuts it and then splits it apart. So we're going to try that. There we go. So she cut it, and then she just rips it apart. Now that's not too bad for these little guys. I just don't want all the seeds, so I gotta figure out how to get that out of there. So cut him again and just rip it apart. Oh, seeds popping everywhere, which are not bad, but so I have seeds. On my big bell peppers, if I remember where I've got the video, I'll try and get the video back up. Or maybe I'll just go buy a bell pepper and redo the video. Because then you don't have all these seeds in the way of your cutting. Oh, these aren't too bad, I guess. Just ripping the top of it off. See that? Just kind of like rip it. And then there's all the seeds. Oh, this one has a lot of seeds. Get all over your hands. Okay, now, if you ever go to cut a bell pepper like this and it's hard because the skin is on top, always turn the skin down, and that way you can use your knife. Your knife is curved here, and you can hold on to it with your left hand and then just go in and slice it open. There we go. Smaller dice when I'm doing fried rice. I think the yellows are pretty good. Okay, now, how are we going to dice these? I think this is pretty good. Just like that. Try not to get them where the seeds are at. I guess if I get seeds too. Just for the video. Right. Oh, these are small. So good. Beautiful. You have total control over your knife because these are squiggly little guys. Slice your hand pretty easy. Alright. Oops. There is all my pile of bell peppers. Alright. Well, that was pretty easy, not too painful. So anyways, this is Marianne with pro tips of the day to use in your kitchen while you're cooking. It's not rocket science. have to think about stuff ahead of time, and then just plan it out. You shouldn't have to spend a lot of money on stuff. You should be able to just eat relatively inexpensive. We buy organic everything that I could possibly buy organic, and or local meats or local eggs, because it keeps the economy going in this local vicinity. Pretty soon we're going to have all the produce people out there, which is going to be awesome. I got some crazy ideas I'm going to do with some gardening this year. I've already got my radishes, some Swiss chard, and I think I got another seed packet. Oh, I got tall sunflowers. So anyways, that's it. Pro tip of the day. It's Marianne. Have a great day. Bye.